Hi guys, my name is Adris, and I am part of the Eden Prairie Team Tech Squad. In this video, I'll be giving you guys a tour on how to use the Hennepin County Library database. And I will give you guys examples on which websites to go. You're going to go to Hennepin County Library website, hclib.org. Once you're at the website, click Browse, Online Resources, and there you go. You have 170 websites to choose. But in this video, I'm going to simplify it and show you guys how to access each website. So in this, we're going to filter. We're going to go to Science. And once you're at Science, my two recommendations are Gale One File or ScienceFlix. In this video, I'll be going over ScienceFlix. So to access each website, you're going to have your library card with you. And also remember the PIN. So enter that and go to ScienceFlix. You can do this for your own research or just to learn more about stuff. So there are certain topics in ScienceFlix: Earth science, space science, life science, health and human body, physical science, tech, math, and engineering. But in this video, I'll be going over tech, math, and engineering topics, such as computer networks and computer technology. So you click on your topic. I clicked on the computer networks. As you can see, they have a section called Watch It, Read It, Dive Deeper, Explore More, Related Websites, Science Lab, What Do You Think, Show What You Know, and Careers. So if you scroll down a little bit, there's a Dive Deeper section in which they teach you about each section. So here you can see the Watch It section and the Read It section that answers this question: how do computer networks affect people's lives? And if you scroll down a little bit, there's a Dive Deeper section, and that breaks down the type of networks making the connections in the virtual world. So if you go onto the Watch It section over here, onto your left side, there's a video. And that video is just 2 minutes long. And in the reading section called Read It, there is an article. The article talks about computer networks. So we're going to click on to the Dive Deeper section on your left side. And on Dive Deeper, they break it down into 3 sections. And those 3 sections either have a video and an article that explains it basically in basic terms. And then we're going to click on the Explore More. And on the Explore More page, they give you more articles. These articles are just quick and simple. So we're going to go back here and we're going to click on the related websites. And they give you more websites that help you learn more about the topic that you clicked on. As in, you click here and there are a bunch of websites that will help you. So we're going to go to the Science Lab. And in the Science Lab, you can create an interview, a timeline, a game, and a graph. So they're going to give you the steps and the rules on how to create the interview. And in the game, my favorite, which is called the Alphabet Soup. So they give you questions to consider while playing the game. And just have fun with that. And then in this part, and now we're going to click on What Do You Think? And in this section, They give you questions just to see whether or not you learned something, and you can just test yourself. And here you click, there's a little quiz that they give you to see whether or not you learned something. And on the careers section, they give you careers about the topic that you just read on or learned about. And they also give you the pay, entry level education, and all the things that you need to know about the jobs. I hope you guys found that helpful. Thanks for watching.